How to memorize everything faster and forever, 5 powerful techniques. Wish you could memorize things faster and never forget them? Whether it's for school, work, or just everyday life. What if I told you your brain already has that power? You just need the right tools. Why we forget? Here's the truth. Your brain is built to forget. It's called the forgetting curve, and it shows how we lose up to 70% of new information within 24 hours, unless we fight back. But don't worry, there are brain-based techniques you can use to hack your memory and make things stick for life. The 5 memory techniques. 1. Spaced repetition. Host. Don't cram. Instead, review information at increasing intervals. Day 1, Day 3, Day 7, Day 14. This tells your brain, hey, this is important. App tip. Use tools like Anki or Quizlet to automate this process. 2. Active recall. Reading is not studying. Instead, close your book and recall what you just learned. Example, after reading a chapter, ask yourself, what were the 3 main points? This struggle strengthens your memory. 3. Visualization. Turn abstract info into pictures. Your brain loves images. Example, to remember Newton's 3 laws. Imagine a knight, force. Pushing a lazy cat, mass, that starts. Moving, acceleration. The weirder the better. 4. The memory palace. This ancient method helped. Greek orators give 2-hour speeches without notes. How it works. Imagine a place you know, like your house, and place each thing you want to remember in a different room. Walk through it in your mind later to recall. 5. Teach what you learn. The Feynman technique. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it. Example, teach your little sibling, your dog, or even an imaginary YouTube audience. Teaching locks. Bonus tip, get enough sleep. That's when your brain consolidates memories. And keep your brain sharp with proper food, hydration. Start using these techniques today and watch your memory transform. Got a test coming up? Try them and let me know how it goes. Subscribe for more brain hacks and study tricks. Until next time, stay sharp and keep learning smarter.